Hi techies, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will share one of the best website. Before going to start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Maybe it may help them. If you have any query, feel free to comment below. Let me tell more about that. Okay, every one of us using our PCs and mobiles every day. And we have to transfer some of our data from PC to mobile or mobile to computer. Traditionally we use a lot of methods to do that, and mainly many of us uses the traditional wires to do that, but it is more difficult to do that when we lost that wire and sometime we forget to carry that in our bag. Now I'll share one of the best website that it will be in help in that situations. If you want to use this website, you need to connect your computer and mobile on same Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Now quickly open your favorite browser and search this. You can get this link in the description below and hit enter. Now you have to apply the same in your mobile. Now open your favorite browser in your smartphone and type this in your mobile and search this website. Now you can find your devices with specified name here. You will find your device by using this website. You can send up to 5 GB of data at a time. Now I will show you how to transfer data from computer to smartphone. Now open this website, select your files from PC. Now you can do it in two ways: by clicking on this device you can select and send, and second method is by drag and drop method. Simply choose any of these methods to send the data. We can simply share you pictures, videos, files, anything. But visit the website and try to connect your smartphone and your computer in same Wi-Fi and visit the same website in the computer. Then in your mobile, you will find your device name and your screen. Click on it, then select your file, and it will start to share with your computer. Thanks for watching.